In this video, you'll learn how to invite guests in Notion. This guide will take you through the steps needed to share access with others effectively, ensuring they can view or edit your pages as required. Begin by navigating to Notion website and signing in to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the specific page where you wish to invite. It is essential to confirm that you have the necessary permissions to manage sharing for that page. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the content of the page to ensure it's ready for guest access. At the top right corner of the page, you will find the share button. Click on this button to prepare for the guest invitation process. After clicking the share button, an invitation panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In the invite field, enter the email address of the guest you wish to invite. It is crucial to select the appropriate permission level for the guest. You can choose between options such as can view or can edit based on the level of access you want to provide. After entering the email and selecting the permission level, double check the details to ensure accuracy. Then click the invite button to send the invitation through Notion. Following this action, you may need to wait for the guest to accept the invitation before they can access the page. Once the invitation is sent, it is important to monitor guest access to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To do this, return to the share settings of the page. Here, you can confirm that the guest's email appears in the list of people with access. If adjustments to permissions are necessary, you can modify them directly from this panel. In case the guest no longer needs access, you can easily remove their permissions from the same settings. Keeping track of shared pages is vital for effective collaboration. Regular reviewing the collaboration activity on the shared page can help you stay informed about how guests are interacting with your content. This practice ensures that you maintain control over who has access to your information and how they can engage with it. By keeping an eye on the sharing settings, you can manage guest access efficiently and make any necessary changes as your collaboration needs evolve. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.